how to download Spotify music. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can download Spotify music, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to download Spotify music, you have to open the Spotify application here. Once you launch the Spotify app, make sure that you're basically signed into your account. Once you sign into the account, you can just go to the playlist that you would like to download. Now you cannot download individual songs, but you can just go to the whole playlist. Here you'll find a little download icon. You can just tap on the little download button right next to it. But the only problem with this is that the download option is only actually available for premium users. So if you are a premium user, you can just go ahead and tap on this little download button and you can tap on the download option. All of the songs that are inside of this playlist will be successfully downloaded to your phone. And whenever you go to your library tab or wherever else you prefer, and then you go to your download section, you'll be able to find all of the downloaded music. And this way you can download music on Spotify. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.